Hi Weber fans, so today what we're going to be cooking is some grilled sweet potato. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as said in today's video, what we're going to be doing is an accomplishment that you can actually put alongside any barbecue recipe, and it is grilled sweet potato. Now, it's one of my favourite dishes to do, and the family absolutely love it. We're going to be doing a bit of a chilli and a lime sauce with it as well. Now, everything I do in the video and everything I use in the video today, there will be links in the description below and the recipe as well. So make sure you check those out. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. So we're going to start off with, you can use 4 potatoes. There's only 3 of us, so we just use 3 sweet potatoes, and we're going to partial boil these literally for 15 minutes. So what we'll do is get these in the saucepan and get them partially boiled. That's with our sweet potatoes. We're just going to drop them in a pan of water, and we're just going to literally boil them for around 15 minutes. We're not going to cook them, just literally get them partially cooked before we chop them up to put on the barbecue. Right, so now those sweet potatoes are par cooking. We've literally got 15 to 20 minutes to kill. So what we're going to do is start making our dipping sauce. Now there's literally 4 ingredients to this sauce, and you can adjust the heat. So if you like it spicy or not, you can adjust the heat. So what we're going to do is jump in, grab the ingredients and start making the sauce. So what we'll do is go straight to it. Well, so with our dipping sauce, it's literally 4 ingredients. So we're going to use 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, the juice of 1 lime. Now you can mix this in a blender if you want. A teaspoon of smoked paprika and a teaspoon of chili powder, just to give it that little kick. So we're going to have a little bit of a kick, a little bit of smoky flavour, the mayonnaise and the hint of lime to balance it out, and we're just going to mix that up. And that's our dipping sauce made. Right, so now those sweet potatoes have been on for around 15 to 20 minutes. They're literally par cooked. So what we're going to do is take them off, let them cool for a bit, and then we're going to slice them up and then put them on a baking tray, and we're going to baste them with some olive oil and then get them seasoned. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Right, so our sweet potatoes have just come out of the pan. They've been in for about 15 minutes. So they're not fully cooked. So what we're going to do now is cut them into slices, and we'll literally cut them into 1/2-inch slices, like so. That way you'll have some nice texture on the outside from the grill, and the skin will have a chance to get nice and crispy. So what we're going to do is just baste them with some olive oil so we can get our seasoning on. And now that's ready to start seasoning. So I'm going to be using just some chicken seasoning. Now this has got garlic in it, plenty of seasons in there. And then we're just going to turn those over and baste the other side. Now we're just going to season the other side, and then these are ready to go on the queue. Right, so our grill's been heating for about 10 minutes. We've got it literally up to the 200-degree mark. Now it's time to get that sweet potato on, so let's get those sweet potatoes on. So what should happen is the heat should hopefully disperse some of the sugar and release some of the sugar out of that sweet potato, mixing with those ingenious flavours. Right, so those have been on for 4 minutes, so it's time to turn them. Right, so those have been on 10 minutes total, so it's time for these to come up. Right, so these are ready. They were literally 10 minutes in total, and we've got our dipping sauce. Time for a bit of a taste. And they are absolutely superb. You've got that kick of that chilli, that lime, cooling it down. Absolutely beautiful. Right, so I enjoyed the video and I hope you found it really informative. And as you can see, it's a really simple dish that you can make, and it literally takes 5 minutes per side, so that's 10 minutes total to cook that sweet potato. Now, basting it with that olive oil helps that seasoning stick, and just using a chicken seasoning with your garlic and your parsley and all the herbs that are actually in that seasoning really brings out the flavour of that sweet potato. And to top it off, we made that homemade chilli sauce mixed with a lime and mayonnaise, and it's absolutely beautiful. Just a quick, easy dish that you can put alongside any barbecue meal. We normally have this with our grilled chicken, and I'll put an iCard above linking to that video. Now, don't forget, everything I've used in the video today, there will be listed in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. So as well as that, there will be the recipe and the ingredients of everything I've made. So make sure you check those out. Now again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, I hope that. And it just brings out those flavours with that chicken seasoning. It's absolutely awesome. And it literally takes 3 to 4 minutes to actually cook on the Baby Q. Now, pasting it, it's a side dish you can do that kind of that. It's just a great side recipe to any barbecue dish. And then we've got that, and then we've got the chili sauce just to give that extra bit of kick. And then we've got that chili sauce so again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video.